I'm Dr. David Savitsky. I'm a child and adolescent psychiatrist working in Rhode Island since 1989, primarily with Gateway Healthcare, Community Mental Health Center. Our programs see a variety of children with very severe and life-threatening conditions. Integration of treatment with schools is a cornerstone of community mental health. I've examined and treated many youth over the years who've been questioning their sexual and gender identities. And over the years, it's striking how often these youth have been crushed by the experiences they've had in school. Bullying of these children has been routine regardless of how they comport themselves in public. The bullying has routinely extended itself out of the school, into the playground, the neighborhood, and the internet. And some of these children have been told to kill themselves. They've been isolated. They found no way out of endless harassment. They became hopeless, depressed. They ended up in my care. I'm here to reinforce something that you already know, and that is how a school responds to the downtrodden in their community of students does make a difference to the fate of these children. Some school districts have been wonderfully supportive of their transgendered and gender non-conforming students, and they have social burdens. They still have social burdens that their more conventional peers do not face, but they have evidence that the adults who control their weekdays care about their well-being. In districts that have not chosen to enact policy that requires such a safe setting in school, the students' fates are uncertain and depend entirely on the goodwill of staff, who may know very little about the issues the students face or who may be misguided about the significance of the school environment. Moreover, without such a policy, those districts say to their staff that these students do not deserve the safety and support that this policy would make explicit. Requiring each school district to adopt a clear policy of non-discrimination against gender non-conforming youth should not be necessary. But the reality is that the importance of these protections has not been understood or accepted by some, and their students are suffering. Thank you for setting the standard by establishing guidelines. Now it is time to insist that all students are deserving of those protections.